Hello, welcome to Trading Solution. So today, let's learn how you can, where you can locate how many pips does bars. So let's check this one. This one, as you can see, you need to find this. This is a crosshair or Control F. So if you want to measure this until here, click and drag. So as you can see, there's three number, the bars, the points, and the percent. So what we need to look is the points. So 1,963 points. But the pips here is only 196. Do not include the last number. So the pips here is 196 pips. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.